Hi there, and welcome to Tech Lighten Me. In this video, I want to show you how to make your taskbar transparent with OpenShell on Windows 10. Start by opening your browser of choice and then do a Google search for OpenShell GitHub, as shown on screen. The best result should be the OpenShell GitHub page. Go ahead and click on that to open it. On the next page, click on the Releases tab here on the right. On the next page, find the latest OpenShell executable file and click on it to download it. Once it's downloaded, click on the file to open it. It will start the OpenShell installation wizard, and you can just go through the normal setup prompts as shown on screen. Once it's finished installing, click on the Start button. You should be seeing the OpenShell menu settings. If you don't see it, right-click on the Start button and select Settings. In this window here, select the Taskbar tab. Next, click on this Customize Taskbar checkbox here. Now make sure that the Transparent option is selected and then change the opacity value to 0. When that's done, click on OK. You should now have a completely transparent taskbar in Windows 10 using OpenShell. If this video was helpful, remember to like and subscribe for more tech enlightenment.